Good evening, welcome to another session of our online lessons. We have a typical question involving indices, that is index notation. Saying if 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 40, is going to find the value of x. How do you go about this? Let's look at the solution here. From here, I have 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 48. Now from this, what happens here? This 2 into bracket 2 to the power x minus 1, we are having this scenario as a result of the loss of logarithm. We can expand this power here to give us 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x multiplying 2 to the power minus 1 equals 48. That is, when we are multiplying two numbers with the same base, the law says we keep a single base and then we add the exponent. That's why we are having x and then minus 1 over here. This is the same as 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x multiplying 1 over 2. That is, when we have a number with a negative index, the law says we change it to a fraction by taking the positive side. That is 1, this one becomes 1 over 2 to the power 1. And 2 to the power 1 is the same as 2. So from here, this equals 48. Now from here, this becomes a fraction. And we must clear this fraction here. How do we clear this? By multiplying all the terms here by the LCM 2 here. This will give us 2 multiplying 2 to the power x, then plus 2 to the power x multiplying 1 over 2. This equals 48 multiplying 2. I hope you get it. From here, this 2 can take away this 2 here, giving us 2 into bracket 2 to the power x. Then what is left? I have plus 2 to the power x times 1, the same as what we have here. Then this equals 96. From here, what we are having here is the same as having a coefficient of 1. This is having a coefficient of 2. Now I have 2 to the power x here, 2 to the power x here. This is the same as having 1 plus 2. Then all to the power, that is all multiplying 2 to the power x here. This will give us 96 over here. 1 plus, what are we getting? We are having 3 into bracket 2 to the power x equals 96. Now you clear the coefficient over here by dividing this side by 3 by 3. What is left? 2 to the power x will give us 32. That is, dividing 96 by 3, we have 32. Now I have 2 to the power x equals 32. Now we change 32 from this single number to an index form. And what do you get? 2 to the power x. 32 is the same as 2 to the power 5. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That will give us 2 to the power 5, giving us 32. The bases are the same at both ends. So we conclude that x is equal to 5. Hope you found this lesson very interesting. Have a great day and see you with another question. Goodbye.